Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on population dynamics. Dear students, in the last video lecture, we have discussed population density and area of density of population in three ways. One is high population density, another moderate population density, and third one is low density of population. So, dear students, definitely if any place in the world where there is a high density of population, it is definitely in that situation where overpopulation occurs. So, today's topic is overpopulation. We are going to deal in this video lecture what is overpopulation? What is the cause of overpopulation? What is the effect of our overpopulation? Dear students, not only for your learning process, but also it is for us why overpopulation, what is the reason behind it, and what is the effect in our society, in our country. This is the main things we are going to discuss today. Have a look. What is overpopulation? Cause and effect. So, what is overpopulation? Definitely, overpopulation is population which exceeds its sustainable size within a particular environment or habitat, not only particular environment or habitat, but also in the low resources, in the very low resources, there is a huge users of that resources. In the very simplest language, you can say if we have low set of resource and high set of population, that place is called overpopulated place. So, dear students, the causes. What is the causes of overpopulation? Definitely poverty due to this child labor, immigration, reduced mortality rates, and poor contraceptive uses, fertility treatments. This is the main cause of overpopulation. Dear students, poor people always live with this mentality that we have more people, more income. Due to this, in one family, there is the 20, 25 members. It is quite difficult to live within limit resources. After that, if poor people leave that place, definitely for the sustenance of their life, they have to do child labor. So the poor people's children go to child labor. So this is the main cause of overpopulation. Immigration. All people, each and every people, human beings, tendency, mentality to live in a good speciality, good features, good set of society, home, like that. So that is the main point of attraction of immigration. People migrate from a rural area to urban area, and due to their lack of education, they don't have any work good for their sustenance, so they are working in a factories industry like as a labor. It is difficult for people who live within limited resources or live in poverty. Dear students, immigration, due to immigration, we are going to discuss in another chapter immigration, all that things. But causes of overpopulation is definitely immigration also. Reduced mortality rates. Due to good health facility, that definitely we have a good set of birth rate. So reduced mortality is always in our hand in these days. So because of this, mortality rate reduced. That is why overpopulation. Poor contraceptive use. First and foremost thing, they are huge mass. They are mass having no knowledge, no set of knowledge of contraceptives. Using contraceptive to control population is a very common things, but people don't need to go through it. They don't have knowledge. That's why it is a main cause of overpopulation. Fertility treatments, definitely their infertility rate some area, but due to good health facility, there are so many IVF centers having good treatment of fertility. Due to this, definitely population occurs in a huge mass. So fertility rate is also cause of overpopulation. Have a look what is the effect of overpopulation. Lack of water, lower life expectancy, extinctions, resource consumptions, increase extensive farming. This is the effect of overpopulation. There are many more reasons behind it also, but this is the main reason. Dear students, you can easily watch in a slum area lack of electricity facility, lack of water, lack of sanitization, lack of sanitation, sorry, lack of sanitation. This is the thing you can easily watch in a slum in a urban area. So this is the effect of overpopulation. One more thing is good thing in our population is people live in a rural area. Uh, have mentality to increase their farming. So intensive farming definitely increased for the sustenance of their life because in a one family there is the 25 members, more than 25 members. So how can they live without feeding their population, their family members? So that's why one good thing is increased intensive farming, resource consumption. Resource consumption. They are if in Australia, this is the low population area. There are so many region in Australia having low population density. So there is the huge resource. Nobody there to consume that resource. That means consumption of resource is not there in a good manner. So it is not good. But when we have limited resource and mass of the population, uh, definitely bereft of their resources, this is the negative thing. Okay, so I hope it is clear, effective way and the effects of overpopulation. And so I hope overpopulation cause and effect is clear. in the next video. This is also in your question paper. If it will ask in the examination what is the cause, what is the effect of overpopulation, write in a 5 sentence. So you can easily write these things like a question. Okay? So I share this topic in your PDF also. Thank you so much, dear student.